Hi, welcome to the Laughing Tree. Although I can't really see any laughing trees, not since I last took mushrooms anyway. I'm just doing a YouTube video now because I'm at a crossroads whether to stay in Gloucestershire, so the Shire. It's where Tolkien kind of visited around. It's nothing like the Shire that you imagine. It's like the Shire got taken over by junkies. It's a bit like how the Lord of the Rings book ends, but Sharky wins and then he starts shipping in loads of blue meth. That's what it's like. It's good, but the Romans liked it, you know. It's a big Roman town, believe them. But the Romans aren't here anymore, and it's just turned into desolation. Or should I go to Maryland? I haven't been to America in a few years. I've been to New England, Florida, New York, you know. Haven't been to America in a few years. Dad lives out there, Auntie lives out there. So to any of my American subscribers, or any of you watching this video, what should I do? Should I go to Maryland? Should I go to Baltimore and get stabbed up? Or should I stay in the beautiful old Shire, where I've probably spent most of my life? Yeah, I lived in Cyprus for a bit, which was fucking awesome. But yeah, so should I stay in the Shire? This is just a nice little... This is the snow we get in England, by the way. There is a river over there too, but by the time I get around there, this video will be so long, you'll get so bored of me. But yeah, this is a bush. No bears, no rattlesnakes, no rednecks, but we do have a pikey, which is similar to a redneck. They're like a gypsy, but they wear trainers and they're evil. So that, yeah, whereas gypsies are a bit cooler. Like Tyson King's the gypsy king, you know, he's not the pikey king. So yeah, but we don't have any rednecks, not as many pickup trucks, and no fucking guns. But guns are cool, and I probably would get one, maybe, I don't know. You just don't want to be the dude without a gun, do you? But I wouldn't, I'd probably just get like a Colt Dragoon off like the one that Rooster Cogburn has on True Grit, and I just keep that, just like, I just sleep with it, just because it's amazing. Like, such a fucking huge gun anyway, that if I fired it, I'd break my arm. So, you know. Anyhow, Maryland. Is that where they make cookies? Yeah, it is. So that could be a deciding factor. So Maryland or Gloucestershire. Google Gloucestershire and you'll probably get a better view of what I've just pathetically gave you. Okay, so just write in the comments where you think I should go. And thumbs up for Maryland, thumbs down for Gloucestershire. Okay, bye bye, and check out my new videos. I have got a hilarious Oliver Reed one coming up, and I'll be doing some more podcasts and stuff like that. So take it easy, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.